This happened to both of my visors, where you try and close it and this part kind of bends out and it exposes this and opens it up and just makes it, sometimes it doesn't even go back. If you have that problem, I have a solution. A little hex head and just a screwdriver. So the first thing you do is you pop this off. Okay. I just take it out of the way because it's in the way otherwise. I'm going to take this out. One's out. Just move this around. Take this out. Move it around over here so you can get to that one. Take it out. Got your screws out. This just comes out like this. There's two locations where you can put screws in this that won't interfere with the hinge as it closes. So one of them is right up back in here and one of them is right back in here. So that's about where they are. It's just on this side of that bar that runs through there. There's a gap, there's a space right there, and there's a space right there where you can fit down through, and you can kind of see it when you get it opened up, and then just eyeball it. And then I just put it on a drill press like this and run it down through. Two holes there. See where they come out on this side. And now I just take a couple of these and a couple of those and put them down through here. That one. That one. And I've got this little guy here to tighten it up with. And problem solved. Closes now, no issues. Same with this one. And if your headliner starts to fall, you can pick up a little thing of these and give yourself a starry sky. It holds really good.